This is the ZHIYUN MOLUS G200, a lightweight yet film-grade lighting COB light. The G200 not only has its own high power output, but it brings in a new experience with its 180-degree flexibility, light control separation, and even seamless dimming. It's perfect for studios, live streaming, movie sets, etc. This light is 200 watts, but with one press, you can enter extreme mode for a peak of 300 watt output. Design of this light is very small. In terms of thickness, it's only 67.5 millimeters, and it has internal integration customized to make this COB light and a cooling source. It not only meets the needs of professional lighting, but ensures portability. When it comes to the light control separation design, the body and the controller are both separated. The controller comes with a rope, which is convenient for hanging and various uses, and it has two interactive buttons and a display screen, making it simple and quick to achieve a wide range of functions, including pro-level lighting. The stand attached to the light has 180-degree flexible control. It's integrated right within the light support, so you can adjust the arm in a full range of rotation capabilities, making it easy to adapt to any setting. It also has a universal umbrella slot, making it the perfect professional lighting solution and very convenient. There's a cooling system in the light and in its controller. The new cooling system for the COB light and controller helps the G200 achieve high power outputs while providing efficient heat dissipation. This light also has seamless dimming. It supports seamless CCT and dim adjustments with 5 built-in presets for easy one-press color, temperature, and brightness adjustments. With the G200, you have a wide range of accessories. It's compatible with various customized Bowens mount accessories and can also be used with ZHIYUN's own Bowen accessories. One of the best parts is its wireless control right from the ZHIYUN app on your smartphone. The light supports Bluetooth mesh networking, allowing for remote dimming and quick switching of presets. You can achieve professional lighting on any film set, studio, no matter where you are. It's effortless and convenient. Alright, so while I'm setting this up, this light is definitely very high quality. I cannot complain about the quality and craftsmanship of this device. But now is the moment you've all been waiting for. Let's test this sucker out. So I bought the Molus G200 to pair with my Molus X100, but the X100 was super bright, so I don't even think that I need to use both of these together. Oh, I'm sorry if that hurt y'all eyes. Let me divert that away. That was 20%. Let's go low. This is 0. This is 1, 2. This is crazy. Let's put it on 100 for y'all. 40%, 60%, 80%, 100%. You can't see nothing. Now let's turn all the lights off real quick. Turning off all the lights so you can see this light brighten my room crazy. So this is on 100%. I don't know how to turn on max mode, but damn. Now let's try a different temperature. We got the cool temperature on, and we got the warm temperature on. This light is it. Let me dim it down real quick. So as right now, all the lights in my room are off. Let me face this against the wall. Right now, I have the G200 facing my all white wall, and as you can see, it's completely lighting the entire room. It's lighting my face. My face, the lighting looks pretty even, all coming from this light with nothing else on it. I got this light for $400. I got the regular pack, nothing crazy, and I think it's worth it. I got the 100X as you saw, or the X100, and that light lit up my whole entire room as well. This one does the exact same thing. So now I'm like, which one do I use? I got both of them to light my room, but it seems like I will not need that. This light is crazy and definitely worth the price. ZHIYUN did not send me this light. I purchased it on my own accord, but it's definitely worth it. Check it out, see what you like, see what you don't like, but this light goes crazy. My whole room is being lit by this light, and it's just facing the wall, and it's just bouncing back. Mind blown. If you like what you see here, my name is CClaxton, and this is my platform, Something Light Media, a hub for all things photography, videography, content creation, celebrity content, sneakers. This is everything that I do here plus more. So if you like what you see here, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I have a lot of content on the way. Thank you for tapping in. I just checked in. Now I'm checking out. Peace.